So congratulations. We should be happy. We've made it all the way through. Now let's try to summarize what it is that we've covered in this unit. To a large extent, this unit was about tools, how to build useful tools, how to recognize what they are and put them together, and how to apply them to components of a domain. And in particular, one of the important tools we looked at is language, the ability to define the language that you want to deal with rather than the language that Python happens to give you. And we talked about grammars that describe a language, interpreters that interpret them, and compilers that do the same thing, only faster. And the other main lesson in this unit was functions, that functions too are a very powerful tool. And they're powerful in a way that statements are not. So with statements, although in the end we need our statements to write our programs, they have this flaw in that they're not as composable as functions are. If you want to reuse a statement somewhere else, the only thing you have to do is copy and paste. And that's an issue. That can be a problem because then you got multiple copies and you update one but you don't update the other. With functions, you compose them rather than copy and paste them. And so that means there's one function that's an object and that gets reused automatically. And when you change it, it gets changed everywhere because there's one object, not multiple copies with copy and paste. So that's the advantages of functions. We talked about decorators as functions. We showed how to use functions as objects. And we showed some patterns for how they fit together and allow us to define tools. I hope you found this all useful. And I think you'll see in the homework assignments we have for this unit that the difficulty has been stepped up a bit, but you should be able to handle them with the tools that we've covered.